morning everyone, Mr. Allen here for our Year 1 and Year 2 Presentation Assembly. Yes, all those children who have worked really hard this half term. As you can see, it is Friday the 26th of May 2023. We're going to start this morning in Year 1. And we've got our phonics stars. So these guys have been working really hard on their phonics, helping them to learn to read. Our phonics stars this morning are, in they come. Look at that, Elijah, Maria, Elliot and Zachariah. Well done guys with your phonics, really well done. Lots and lots of reading there going on as well, so really well done. Keep filling those reading records over half term. Enjoy taking your phonics stars certificate home today, you superstars. Well done. On to our reading stars. Now these guys have been reading lots and filling in their reading records lots as well, and enjoying their time in the new library as well. And they are, come on you four, in they come, there they are, look. Amanas, Simon, Nella, and Arafath. Well done you guys. Look, lovely books you've chosen as well there from the new library as well, which I know you'll really enjoy. But you're going to get a new reading book with your certificate as well today, so enjoy that over half time, you superstars. Really well done. On to our math stars. These guys have been working really hard in their maths mastery lessons, and they are none other than, in they come whizzing in, Alfie, Helen, Ruby and Josiah. Look at that, look at Alfie, what a smile. Really well done, Ruby. Good balance in there, well and truly balanced. So really well done, guys. Enjoy taking your maths certificates home, you superstars, and keep up that maths over half term as well if you can. On to our science stars, and our scientists this morning are none other than Rowan, Xavier, Sigmund, and Archie. Well done, you guys. It's amazing. All about plants, all about flower. I know they've been doing lots and lots of science this half term, so really well done. Big smiles again. Well done, huge congratulations, and enjoy taking your Science Star certificate home today, you superstars. Well done, you four. Our history stars, look, going back in time, here they come, whizzing back. It is Amelia, Hayden, Oliver, and Logan. Look at Hayden, look, well done there, buddy, with the castle as well. Having Oliver giving you a hand there, because it's a massive book, isn't it? So well done, you four. You've won yourself your History Star certificate. So really well done. Keep it in a safe place when you get it home as well, because you'll look back in history, time when you were younger, when you won this. So really well done. Keep it up, guys. Our geographers now. Let's see which geographers are coming whizzing in this morning. Look at these. We've got Myas, we've got Alice, we've got Amelia, and we've got Erin. Look at that, all about understanding maps of the world, England, Great Britain, and all local places. So really well. Big smiles again from you four. It's really lovely and really well done. Well done on this half term as well. Worked so hard on your geography. Keep it up, guys. Well done. And our PE stars in Year 1 have been so active, and they are, in they come. Come on in. We've got Jensen, Ellie Mae, Theo, and Beatrice. Yes, you can see that being really physically active there. They've got the balls all covered there with the throwing, catching, bouncing and skipping. So really well done. And I know every break time and lunchtime I see you four, you're always active, you're always running about. So really well done, you superstars. Enjoy taking your PE certificates home today. On to Year 2. And Year 2's English stars this morning are none other than, coming in, Lola, Bailey, Jensen and Marcy. Look at those faces. Marcy, absolutely doing your talk for writing there. Well done. Huge congratulations, guys. You've won your English certificate stars. So really well done. Enjoy taking that home today. And to our reading stars. Now these guys not only going to take a certificate, they're taking a reading book home as well. So let's see where they are. Oh, look at them in the reading corner there. Reading away. Domas, Betsy, Naya and Lucas. That's exactly what you see when you go into classroom at times. These four with their head in a book, because they absolutely love reading. Well done, you four. Enjoy taking your certificates home today, you superstars. Well done. On to our mathematicians. These guys have been working really hard in maths mastery. Look at them. Look, doing some measuring as well. We've got Amelia, Elizabeth, Willow and Alfie. Look at that. Great teamwork as well. And then getting all that measuring, all the fluids and liquids, and getting that absolutely right as well. So well done, guys. Enjoy taking your certificates home today, you superstars. Our scientists. Look at these scientists. In they come. Here they are. Whoa, look, we've got Lincoln. We've got Yasmin. We've got Esme. And we've got Matilda. And actually, it's all about hygiene. Look at this, keeping our hands clean, washing, and making sure we don't spread germs. So well done, you four. Lots of amazing science this half term. Enjoy taking certificates home, you superstar. Well done. On to our history stars. Look at these historians. Here they are. Yes, the King's coronation. What a celebration it was by all of them. We had a fantastic time. And as these four have been working really hard in their history. We've got Charlotte, we've got Harley, we've got Jamie, and we've got Zara. Well done, you four. You've just won yourselves your history certificates, you superstars. Well done. And on to our geography stars. Look at these geographers. In they come. Yes, look at that. Maybe digging for treasure there, but absolutely. We've got Nia J, we've got Ruben, we've got Noah, and we've got Jessica. Working really hard on geography. Well done, guys. Big smiles again. Look at those smiles. Really well done. Enjoy taking your certificates home today, you superstars. On to our PE stars. Now, look at these guys. You wouldn't want to be in a race with these guys. Look at this. So we've got Jackson, we've got Angel, we've got Luz, and we've got Jack. Look at the posture, look at that stride, look at Jack, so determined. Luz gritting her teeth there as well, so really well done. And Jackson on the stride, a super job, and well done, Annie. Enjoy taking your PE certificates home today, you absolute superstars. What a super one to finish on. Well done, guys. And yes, school closes for half term today, Friday the 26th of May 2023 at 3:15. So it is today we break up for our half term. We're back to school after the week on Monday the 5th of June. Yes, we're open straight away. Gates are open at 8:30 on Monday the 5th of June. Have a fantastic restful half term, everyone, and we look forward to seeing you Monday the 5th of June at 8:30. Bye bye now.